Hi, this is Yvette Hamilgraves, Director of Sales Operations here at DataBank. This is the home page for the customer portal, and from here to access the data center physical access section over here on the left, you're going to click on the data center physical access, and then here you'll see the data centers where you currently have services with us. And if you don't see your particular data center listed here, it means it hasn't been integrated in the customer portal just yet, but it is going to be here soon. So in the meantime, if you'll click here to open a ticket with our operations team, we'll be happy to make whatever changes you need for you. To add someone new to physical access to your data center, whether it's permanent badge access or temporary access, a one-time access, you would click Activate Access here. And you'll put this person's contact information. It's very important that this contact information matches their government-issued ID because we will ask for that at the door. So you'll put their formal last name and first name. And then here you'll list whether this is a permanent access request, meaning they'll receive a badge, or temporary one-time access. From here, you're going to select the level of access they need, depending on which data center they need to be in and the type of access. Once you've done that, indicate where this badge will be picked up from, meaning which data center will they pick the badge up from. If you have more than one data center with this, it's very important for you to tell us which data center they'll be traveling to. We do not ship badges out. They do need to be picked up on site. Once the information is completed, you'll click Submit, and that request goes to our operations team, and they immediately begin working on creating the badge. Once a badge has been issued and picked up, you'll see that the badge is active in the system. It'll be green. If the badge hasn't been picked up yet, this status here will be yellow. That means that the badge hasn't yet been picked up at the data center. If you need to edit that person's access in the future, you would just click the Edit button here, and their information will come up, and you can change the level of access they have or the location of the access that they have. If you have someone who has a physical badge and you no longer wish for them to have badge access to the data center, all you need to do is click the Deactivate button next to their name. Also very important in this section is the access report. This is where you'll see a log of the previous month's access to the data center. This includes both successful access and attempted access. So you'll see here each event is captured, exactly where did they approach to gain access. Now, depending on which door they chose, that'll be listed here. Whether or not the access was granted, the exact date and time, the company that they were coming from, and the cardholder's name. You can export this report to either an XLS or Excel file or PDF as needed. And also this feature here, subscribe to report monthly. This is particularly helpful for your security file. If you need to maintain these logs on a timely basis, you can actually have it emailed to you directly, so you don't need to log into the portal each month to pull this report. We'll send it to you. Just click subscribe to report monthly.